Suiran, a luxury collection hotel, Kyoto set on the banks of the emblematic Hozu River in Arashiyama, is found on an exquisite estate that dates back to a 13th century imperial palace. Framed by the famous forested hillsides of western Kyoto, this is a 39-room onsen hotel, with fine dining restaurant, tea house, and 2 private onsen hot springs. We stayed in Atsukanon's superior twin on an upper floor, a 39 square meters room with a long terrace balcony running the length of the exterior wall. Floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors opened onto a spellbinding view of the forested Arashiyama hillside in full autumn blaze, scarlet and gold maples against the grandeur of cedars and pines. The room was a mix of Western and Asian decor, with a distinctly Japanese balance of simplicity and quality. Suiran is an onsen hotel, so a hot springs experience is a requisite. 17 ground floor rooms have their own private open-air onsen bath, but all guests can also book one of 2 private hot springs set within secluded Japanese gardens. There's one with a contemporary design with bamboo detailing, or the classic which we chose, with a natural style with river stones and boulders. Continuing with the theme quiet contemplation philosophy of mindfulness, we found a small Shinto shrine overlooking the banks of the river. The amuse was a plate of 3 small items including salmon, local chicken, and dengaku miso with coffee beans, batarga, watermelon radish and cheese, served on a bed of vivid green juniper leaves. The seasonal vegetable course was squid with caviar, cauliflower, yuba, and endive. The awan was matsutake mushroom with pike conger and ginkgo nuts, served in a ceramic teapot so that you could eat the fish and mushroom with chopsticks through the lip, and pour the rich miso stock into the accompanying cup. Suiran, a luxury collection hotel, Kyoto is certainly a hotel for all seasons. The natural surroundings, the private onsen, the century-old restaurant and cafe, the Shinto shrine by the river, the gardens, every detail has a sense of place and season.